Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. Today's video is going to be a full face using E.L.F makeup product. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue to watch. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Love you guys so much. I'm going to be starting by using this E.L.F oil control primer mist. Reading the instruction on this, it says you spray before makeup and then you spray it after makeup. So it feels good. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow first, and I am using the medium E.L.F eyebrow kit. It is cream and powder. It's not bad at all. I should have get it in dark, but medium is good too. To clean my brow, I'm going to be using the E.L.F concealer in medium. That eyebrow powder is not bad at all. So I'm gonna do my eye. I got this E.L.F eye primer duo. It has the eye primer right there. Then it has the sealant right there. I'm gonna be setting the primer with this E.L.F bronzer. This is in color Constantly Bronze. This is the palette that made me went to E.L.F website. In this palette, there's no brown, so I do not have a transition color. So because of that, I am going to be using the same bronzer, and I'm just going to use a little bit because I really want a spring look. Now I can start with this pretty palette. I'm gonna go into this like lighter purple color, and I'm putting that in my crease. I really like it. It's really good. I am gonna be using the concealer again in medium to cut my crease. I'm gonna be using the green color. I'm gonna be going in with this color right here on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna be using this color on my lower lid. Bringing the green in a little bit. I'm gonna be using this on my inner eye. Using the E.L.F. black liner. I'm gonna be using this E.L.F. waterproof length and volume mascara. For my lashes, I am going to be using this E.L.F. Luxe Lash Kit. It's a maximum drama. Okay, we'll see. We're about to see. We're about to find out. Okay, the lashes is on. And it's not bad. I mean, it's not bad from E.L.F. This is not bad at all. The foundation that I'm using today is a Flawless Finish foundation. And it is oil free and it has SPF 15. I am using color Cocoa. This is truly a full coverage foundation and it's really interesting. And I'm gonna go in with the concealer, the E.L.F. concealer that I used earlier. To set my face, I am going to be using this E.L.F. Corrector Set Eye Powder in Rose. Let's hope this works because it looks so white. And to contour my face, I'm going to be using this bronzer. To set the rest of my face and dust off the setting powder, I am going to be using finishing powder in dark medium. I thought I have a different E.L.F. powder brush, but this is all I have and it's not blending very well. It's just so hard. The finishing is not that bad. It's not that bad at all. The blush palette that I'm using is a dark one and I am gonna be using this color right there. For highlighter, I am going to be using the Shimmer Highlighting Powder. This is the Starlight Glow. For the lip, I'm going to be using the E.L.F. and Kristen Siriano Matte Lipstick in Electric Fuchsia. Oof, this is bright. It's so bright, but I love it. The coordination between, I mean, just the green and pink just go. I really like it. Can I say bright? Yes. But I love the combination of it. I'm going to be setting my face with the same primer that I used earlier. It's the Oil Control Primer Mist. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye bye.